identical twins from Noida. Mansi and Manya not only look alike, they've also managed to score absolutely identical marks in their class 12 examinations, the results of which were announced by the CBSE on Monday. It gets even more unbelievable. Not only did Mansi and Manya both score 95.8% overall, they received the same marks in each and every subject. Now, the sisters who went to Astor Public School in Greater Noida scored 98% in English and computer science. Both of them got 95 in physics, in chemistry and physical education. Born just 9 minutes apart, the twins also, it seems, share a love for food and badminton, and they join us on the show this morning. Manya, Mansi, thank you both for joining us and sharing your success with us. Why don't you introduce yourselves, because I can't really tell you apart.
Thank you very much. So I am Mansi.
Right. So we have Mansi in pink and Manya in blue. And I believe 9 minutes separate the two of you. So who's actually older?
Yeah, I am.
Mansi. All right. And you know, were you surprised when you saw your identical marks? You know, how is this even possible?
Yeah, we were. I think we just consider it to be a pure coincidence because we didn't expect these kind of marks. We were sure of doing good in these exams, but getting same marks in each subject is very surprising.
Yeah, it's more than surprising. It's quite mind-boggling, actually. And you know, Manya, did you guys always study together? You know, did all your preparations happen together?
Yes, we used to study together. We used to clear our doubts. Yeah, so our hobbies and our schedule or the routine was kind of same.
Yes, but are you also equally good in all these subjects? Surely, you know, some of you must have, you know, one of you probably has a strength in one subject, the other in some other, or are you equally good at everything?
No, there are some subjects in which she is good and in which I am good. They are not the same subjects, but yeah. And we used to help each other.
So what is your favorite subject?
Mine is chemistry, maybe. Yeah.
And yet, Mansi also got the same marks in chemistry as well. Mansi, do you have any explanation for this, or you think that this is just really, truly just a coincidence?
Yeah, it's truly considered to be a coincidence because we were expecting good marks, but getting same marks, I think, I don't know. I have heard somewhere that CBSE is giving many 95s. So, yeah.
All right. So you think that, you know, the marking pattern this time might have also had something to do with it. But give us a sense of how you prepared, both of you. And Manya, if you want to begin, you know, tell us a little about, because these are excellent marks that you've got as well. How many hours did you put in? What was your preparation like? Given the whole uncertainty over the exams, what did you do?
Thank you so much for the appreciation. We never fixed the hours, number of hours we used to study. We used to fix the targets, daily targets. And when we will, when we would achieve it, we will stop studying, kind of take break.
Right, and you know, you've been in the same school, but going forward from here, what is it that you'd like to do in college? Do you both want to study the same subject, be in the same place there as well? Mansi?
Yeah, so the short-term goal is to crack JEE mains coming in September. And then the dream is to get into some IIT, and then from there on we'll choose something.
And if you get into the same IIT, would you like to be in the same place?
Sure. Yeah, definitely. That would be another kind of coincidence.
Do your teachers often confuse the two of you?
Yeah, they used to. Actually, I have spectacles. I used to wear spectacles. So that was kind of an identification mark.
All right. Okay. All the very best going forward from here. And we hope certainly that you go from strength to strength, whether it's with identical marks or not. But thank you very much indeed for joining us on Good Morning India.
Thank you.